Hello and welcome back to the second video tutorial in the semester certification series for military affiliated students here at USC Aiken. I'm Zach, Student Success Advocate and member of the Veteran and Military Student Success Office. Today we're going to be going over how to access your degree work notes. Start off with accessing the USC Aiken's main web page. Once you get to this page here, you're just going to scroll all the way down. You're going to click on myusca.edu. Once you get to this screen, we're just going to scroll down to the links section, and we're going to click on this Self-Service Carolina. Once you're at this screen, click Sign In. This is going to be the login credential screen, so I will go ahead and click Login. For those who did follow along with the previous video, I did mention the Duo mobile app, which is the authenticating app that USC Aiken's use to access your self-service account. I will drop links in the description on how to download that app. I typically just use the Send Me a Push. What that does is it sends a notification to the Duo mobile app. You'll open the app and click the authentication approval. Once you do that, it will take you to your self-service account. Now once you get to this screen, to access your degree work notes, you're going to click on Student, Advisement Planning, and then Degree Works Audit and Planner. This will take you to the Important Notices screen, which is just asking you which campus you're a part of, which will be the Aiken campus. And then you will be taken to your actual degree works. To access the Notes section, you're going to go up here to this tab here that says Notes, and you're going to click on it. And it's going to bring up all your notes for the time that you've been at USC Aiken. A few key points that I want to note here. When you're getting this document, make sure that your student ID as well as your name are clearly visible on the saved document, and that your advisor knows to put the course subject code and the number of the course in your notes. I will highlight here, so they must look like this for any course that you're using a benefit for. If everything checks out there, we'll just need you to basically save the document. There's two ways you can do this. You can hit Control-P, and you're going to want to save this to a PDF file, so Microsoft Print to PDF. As you can see, there are some cases where it doesn't want to actually put the notes together with your student ID and name. If that does happen, you can just print the screen and save the file that way. If you found this video helpful, drop us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell notification so you'll be notified for any other videos that we upload in the future. And for your military student needs, remember the Veteran and Military Student Success Office has you covered.